Hello, today I would like to show you a problem that I've got with that wireless print server made by HP. That's the model number over there, and how the problem was looking. So we plugged this unit and everything was working fine, but after a week it just suddenly stopped working. That two lights went completely dark and the power was showing a normal status. So the first problem, maybe that's some kind of a software problem. We unplugged it, we plug it back, and everything started working just fine. And after another week it crashed again. So we was thinking like maybe that's some kind of a software problem. We connect with via USB, we load a new configuration, and again everything was working fine, but after some time it stopped working again. It was just like it was crashing. And what was the problem? The problem was in the power supply and of course the electrolytic capacitors, but the random crashes was quite interesting because the power LED was having like a full brightness, so it must be some kind of fluctuation that was crashing the internal circuitry, but the power was looking like everything was fine. So it was actually the last thing that I was trying to check, and the capacitors was bad on this unit, and after some time it must overload the power supply, and then it was unable to deliver the full current, and then the unit was just crashing. And here lies the problem. We got two electrolytic capacitors, and both of them, as you can see, they are leaked. There are bulge and leaked, and they cause the problem with a crashing print server. So if you have this unit, even if the power LED is working fine and you've got a random crashes, there is a chance that might be actually a problem with the power supply and the electrolytic capacitors. So I'm going to unsolder them. I'm going to put new two on, and I'm pretty sure it will be working just fine. Okay, so the capacitors was replaced, and I didn't tell you that they fail such a way that it was not showing the Wi-Fi status anymore. So let's see, and as you can see it linked to the Wi-Fi and it's showing a error, but that's okay because we do not have our printer connected. So yes, that would definitely fix the problem. So as I told you, if you've got some kind of random crashes, the device stop working randomly, even if the power LED is working and showing that everything is fine, that might be a power supply and the faulty capacitors. So thank you very much for watching, see you next time, and bye bye.